Here are 5 tips you, as a drone user, should know to save a maximum of your battery life and enjoy the flight.
Damn.
Bonjour my dear drone fans and welcome back to my channel. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Céline, I'm a TV journalist and I'm a fan of new technologies. I'm here to talk about tech with you. So if you like high-tech reviews, tutorials and vlogs, consider subscribing. Allez, let's hop onto this new video. I don't know about you, but I'm a big fan of my DJI Spark. Drones are just brilliant when it comes to photography and videography. But one thing that I'm concerned of, and I'm sure you are too, is the battery life. Most drones usually last 10 to 20 minutes in flight time, which means that you have a very short time span to get the right shot of a place before your drone returns back to you. And this limitation has encouraged many of us to carry more than one battery. So here are a few things you can do to make sure you're getting the most out of each charge. Like many of the latest portable devices, DJI drones use lithium polymer batteries, known as LIPO batteries. And these little fellows are sensitive to overheating. So during summertime or autumn, charging your battery in a high temperature environment can wear them down and reduce the charge over time. Tip number 1, avoid charging them right after use when they're still hot. And once they've had some time to cool down, make sure to charge them at room temperature. When you are not using your batteries, it's important to store them in a dry and cool place. Avoid extreme temperatures, hot or cold. So better leave them in the house than outside, in your car for instance. Charge right before you fly. Something I used to do a lot to save some time is to charge my batteries as soon as they were empty. Eh bien non, boy was I wrong. Most drone batteries have an auto discharge feature. Why? Pourquoi? Well, for safety reasons. LIPO batteries are highly powerful and should be properly maintained to ensure safety for you and your aircraft. If you fully charge your battery and don't use it for more than 10 days, the batteries will slowly discharge, 2 or 3 days I believe, to about 50 to 65%, which is the recommended storage level. The longer you wait to fly your drone, the greater the drain. So tip number 2, for best results, fly with a fresh battery that has been charged a few hours before your flight. Never fully drain your battery. It may be very tempting to fly your drone till there is only 1% of battery left, but trust me, it is not worth the damage you may be causing to the battery. It's best to play it safe and land before you get the low battery alert, but at the very least, do not ignore the signal and land immediately after it appears on your controller. Discharge a LIPO battery will cause permanent damage to your battery. Avoid overcharging. Never leave your LIPO batteries charging while unattended and remove it from the charger as soon as it reaches full capacity. You don't want to know what will happen if you aren't around and your battery starts to become puffy, smoke or catch fire. Walking away for even just 5 minutes can spell disaster. How to handle LIPO batteries when taking the airplane? First, you need to keep in mind that LIPO batteries are never put into checked bags. Ever. Jamais dans la soute, les amis. LIPO batteries can be dangerous. They can become unstable and overheat or explode. So imagine if they were stored in the cargo hold. If they burst into flames in the cargo hold of an aircraft, a battery fire could spread so quickly that it might overpower existing fire suppression systems. My last tip, when traveling, use battery bags. You should be storing your loose LIPO batteries in a protective, fireproof bag. I have put 3 links down below for Amazon.com for my fellow US and Canadian subscribers, .fr pour mes amis français et belges, and .de für mein deutsche Freunde. It's between 5 and 10 euros, not that expensive, and if you buy it through my links, I'll get a little reward from Amazon. It's cheap and it's always interesting to have a bag to store your batteries at home, regardless of whether the airline requires you to. Mais non, déjà, it's already time to say goodbye. Now, take good care of your drone and batteries, smash the thumbs up button just down below en dessous, and if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next Monday. Salut!